How to choose the best mayonnaise. You got the Hellman's Real Mayonnaise. Right, keep this pushing on you. And then you got Kraft Real Mayo, creamy and smooth. So what you want to do is always look at the top. Right, y'all see this? Got a weird color tint to it. This is looking more creamy and smooth and fluffy and light. But this says it's creamy and smooth. Notice that this says it's made with 100% cage-free eggs. And then when you look at the ingredients, it's sort of different, but sort of one and the same. And y'all can pause it and read it yourselves. But when y'all choose mayonnaise, choose quality over quantity. This is obviously bigger for the price of $3.49, $5.99, a lot smaller. Gotta pick which one might be the best option. And for me, I'm gonna go with the Hellmann's over the Kraft Mayo all day. 10% more, cheaper price. Is it worth it? That y'all choose. Hellmann's, I'm familiar with this taste. Like I said, looks better. If y'all have both of these, y'all understand what I'm talking about. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts and opinions on this.